In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly incorporate external content onto your Wix website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This guide will help you integrate a Spotify playlist or any other external web application right into your own site. Let's dive into the process and make your website a more dynamic space for your visitors. To begin, you'll need to navigate to manage.wix.com. Once you're on this setup page, you can access all the tools necessary to enhance your website. Here, you'll see a list of options that allow you to customize your site to best fit your needs. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options if you haven't already. They're quite handy. Next, you'll want to move over to editor.wix.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the site editor, look toward the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Add button. This is your gateway to importing various elements that can add richness and functionality to your website. Hover over the Add Elements section and give it a click. You'll be presented with a variety of options to choose from, including text, image, and interactive features. Moving forward, specifically click on the Embed a Site option. This is where you'll be able to pull in external content by simply pasting a URL. Think of it as a window to the web that you can seamlessly install onto your own site's pages. This step enables you to incorporate anything from music playlists to public Google documents and much more. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in a web address. In our example, that's a Spotify web address. So go ahead and enter it into the designated field. Make sure the URL you are entering is correct and accessible to the public, as any restrictions on content use could affect how it displays on your end. Once your web address has been entered, take a moment to hit the Apply button. This action confirms your selection and begins the embedding process. You should see a preview of your content pop up within your site editor. This is a great opportunity to ensure everything looks as you envisioned. If it doesn't align just right, you might want to double check that URL or the embedding settings to make any needed adjustments. After you've verified that your content appears correctly, you can exit out of the embed menu by clicking the X. This will bring you back to the editor workspace where you can freely continue with any other adjustments or enhancements you have in mind for your site. Finally, don't forget to save your progress. With your newly embedded content in place, click Save to ensure all your hard work is secured. This ensures that visitors to your site will be able to enjoy the new interactive features you've added. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you're ready to enhance your website with fresh, vibrant content.